Thanks for the fill. We're gonna do this at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's an hour, under an hour and 15 minutes away. 5:17 p.m. Central Time. Dice roll, same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. 11 times. Always lengthy when I do these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Money shot. Marcus, you've been hanging out near the top all day. There it is, 26 names. Hop over here. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Money shot. Marcus, you got Washington. Good luck on the Harper Chase. Minnesota's on the bottom. You guys can pause your screen right there if you need to see your teams right away. Otherwise, I'll post up a list. We'll take it down. 5:18 p.m. Central Time. Good luck, everybody.